snacks everywhere. Because what's life without snacks? Hey everyone, and welcome back to Two Order Betterers. Today is just me again. We're talking about packing. As you can see in that video, 5.5 months ago, I started with these two backpacks. Well, this one was actually different, but we switched small backpacks before we left. That's why I ended up with this one. It's already the end of our trip throughout South America. We just got to Bogota from Cartagena, and that's the last leg of our trip already. It went by so fast. Anyway, I'll go through the unpacking this time, and I'll tell you more about what worked, what didn't work, how I felt about the Osprey Fairview 40 that I got. Let's start off by talking about this backpack. While going throughout South America, we actually don't move around that much, so I haven't had to pack that much in the 5.5 months. But when I did, so for example, here in Colombia, we moved 4 times. So every 5 to 6 days, more or less, and it's been awesome. It's been awesome, mostly because of the packing cubes I have inside though. And I just really like the way that this backpack opens, kind of like a suitcase, so it's easy to just see everything. So let's look at it. So first I have a jacket attached to the outside of the backpack. Here I have two pockets that I don't use that much really. Mostly because my laptop is in there, so it takes a lot of space. Let's open this front pocket first. Laptop. My baby. The chargers are actually in this pocket. I'll take those out. That was the outside part. Let's look at the inside now. Towel. Oh, so I wanted to actually say that I didn't bring anything back, but I did. That's a dress I bought for a wedding. And then my packing cubes and toiletry bags. Those two, this one was really useful. I used everything that was in there. This one, there were some things I didn't use, so that's something to get better at next time. A small backpack whenever we went to the swimming pool, the spa, the beach, whatever. This one was awesome. Oops. Contacts. Rain jacket. That was so useful. Just get one like that. You'll always need it. In here, I had everything that's underwear, bras, socks, that kind of stuff. In that little one. This one became empty. I don't know what happened. Just another jacket, my jeans that I almost didn't use, and the rest. So all my clothes, basically. All my clothes, so everything I needed for, well, yeah, that plus my jeans and what I'm wearing. Everything that I needed for 5 months and a half. So if you watched the first video I made before we left, it's basically the exact same things. I didn't replace anything, and I'm very happy to say that I actually used all my clothes, which usually never happens. So I'm really happy about that. That also really helped me in the decision process. You know, when in the morning you don't know what to wear, that's so much easier when you just have 5 tops to choose from and 3 bottoms. It's really amazing. I'm really excited about that part. That's something I really don't want to change, even if we settle down or whatever. Okay, that's my little mess. Don't mind me. and some sandals. Oh, so here at the bottom of the backpack, there's a little pocket. Right now they're not in there, but that's where my flip-flops go. So that's basically all I had in the big backpack that I love so much, and I'm excited to go on another trip with it soon. Now let's look at the second backpack. This one is almost as heavy as the first one, which I'm not really happy about. Yeah, so I'm really happy about the way I packed that one. This one is a little more of a mess, so that's something I really want to work on for the next trips. But let's go through it. So first, in this pocket, I have my external charger and the cables for the both of us. Here, headphones, GoPro charger, that's not supposed to be in there. Hey! That's for teaching. Plugs and USB. Oh, and snacks everywhere. Because what's life without snacks? Anyway, let's open the big pocket now. Yeah, and like I said, it's just, I'm trying to make it organized, but it always ends up being a mess. So our documents, everything important. So, 2 small notebooks. I have a slight problem with notebooks. Here, more cables, more GoPro stuff, my running watch. Whiteboard for teaching. More notebooks. So those ones are the tiny ones, and here I have the big ones. My journal, my travel journal. Oh, oops. So I have chocolate in here. I forgot about it. I hope it's not melted. More stuff. Another notepad. Yes, I agree. I have a problem. Additional phone that I've actually been using as a hotspot in a few countries, usually with a SIM card from the country. What else? That's about it. Oh, my Romanian notebook. That's supposed to be in another spot, but anyway. And then everything that's left is in here, which I feel like is most of the weight of that backpack. Let's look. Okay, so a workout band that I've used probably for 2 weeks. Sunglasses, more sunglasses. I didn't need that many because I also have another pair of correction sunglasses, so I only use 2 pairs. One for correction and one for whenever I wear contacts. My Kindle. Everything in here is all my VIP kid stuff. Everything I used to teach. My background. I haven't worked for actually 10 days. I feel a little weird about that right now. Headphones. And all kind of chargers in here. That's a gift from my parents. It's actually the only souvenir I bought to all these months. Oh, coins. Coins from all the countries, basically. I got some for souvenirs. Actually, those are the souvenirs I brought for some people, but I ended up with way too many. Extra pair of glasses. And then just some memories from my travel journal. Basically, all these. A book that I still haven't completely read. And yeah, pens. Oh, I did buy a souvenir. Oh, I did buy something in Peru, actually. That's the only thing I bought. So basically everything I left with, I came back with. I feel like that's about it. Everything is the same. Oh, I came back with one less band because one actually broke on the way. Yeah, and so I have this lamp that I use for teaching, but it actually takes quite a lot of space. Not in my backpack though. So I want to get just a selfie light or two to replace this because it's just too annoying, honestly. So that was it. I have to say that before leaving for South America, I was a little bit worried about missing things, not having what I needed, whatever. And then I kind of calmed down and was like, okay, if you miss something, you'll just buy it. You're not going to the middle of nowhere, you'll be fine. And in the end, I didn't need to buy anything. I just had to replace my sneakers because really they were getting worn out, but that's the only thing that happened. What I appreciated the most about this was that I didn't have to carry around my weight in a suitcase. That was so amazing, and not having to check in anything. What else? So what bothered me is that I still have apparently way too many notebooks. I didn't realize I had that many. So that's something I want to work on. I'm not sure how I'm gonna work on it. I'll find a solution, maybe, maybe not. But other than that, I'm really happy with what I packed. I wouldn't have done much differently, honestly. And I hope it helps you packing less and realizing that you don't need that much stuff, really. And oh, packing cubes. If you don't use those yet, really get to use them because it's so awesome to just get to a place, get those 2 bags out, put them on the counter, and that's it. You don't have to deal with having piles or whatever. It's already piled up, and it's so easy to just pack and unpack every time you move around. And that's it. I hope this update helps you pack less when you travel because really usually we don't use, when we pack like crazy we don't use half of what we take with us. So South America is over in 5 days. But yeah, it was awesome, and if you have any questions you can just leave them in the comments below. And we'll see you soon for our next adventures. We're very excited about what's coming up in the next few months. So yeah, keep it light. Bye guys!